Hello everyone, my name is Satish Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of BCA, IIMT College of Management, Greater Noida. Today my topic is monetary policy. What is monetary policy? Monetary policy is an economic policy that manages the size and growth rate of the money supply in an economy. It is a powerful tool to regulate microeconomics variables such as inflation and unemployment. These policies are implemented through different tools, including the adjustment of the interest rate, purchase or sale of government securities, and changing the amount of cash circulating in the economy. The central bank is responsible for formulating these policies. The RBI is the Central Bank of India and it reviews the monetary policy after every 2 months, and hence the monetary policy is called as the bi-monthly policy. It means in one financial year total number of 6 monetary policy. Monetary Policy Committee. As per the provisions of the RBI Act, the Monetary Policy Committee total number of members is 6 members in this committee. 3 members from RBI and 3 members from the central government. 3 members of RBI are Governor of the RBI, Deputy Governor and Executive Director. 3 members by the central government. They are appointed for a 4-year tenure and are not eligible for reappointment. It means if any member is appointed by the central government, the time of duration is 4 years. After the completion of 4 years, no reappointment is allowed. The member which is appointed by the central government. Objectives of monetary policy. First is the economic growth, increase in employment, price stability and inflation control, exchange rate stability, balance of payment equilibrium, reducing income inequality. The RBI monetary policy has several objectives including price stability, controlling inflation to maintain price stability is a primary goal of the RBI monetary policy. Year-on-year inflation rate based on all India Consumer Price Index, that is CPI, for the month of September 2024 is 5.49%. Corresponding inflation rate for rural and urban are 5.87 and 5.05 respectively. It is likely that the increase in inflation rate for the month of September 2024 is due to high base effect and weather condition. Year-on-year inflation rate based all India Consumer Food Price Index, that is CFPI, number is 9.24% provisionally for the month of September 2024. Corresponding inflation rate for rural and urban is 9.08% and 9.56% respectively. This is the chart which show the CPI and CFPI index for last 1 year. There is a big jump in the month of June and August. The September the price inflation is higher as 9.24. Second is the economic growth. The RBI monetary policy aims to make credit and money available to promote economic growth. The World Bank has raised its growth forecast for India's economy to 7% for the current financial year 2025, up from an earlier projection of 6.6% according to a statement released on recently. The revision comes amid expectations of strong economic performance driven by key factors such as private consumption and investment. The RBI monetary policy has several objectives including employment generation. The RBI's monetary policy aims to promote employment by providing loans to small and medium enterprises, productive sectors and unemployed youth. Another is the exchange rate stability. The RBI monetary policy aims to stability the exchange rate with other nations. It means currency exchange rate. The RBI monetary policy has several objectives including controlling business cycles. The RBI's monetary policy aims to control booms and depressions, which are the main phases of the business cycle, promoting savings and investments. The RBI monetary policy aims to promote savings and investment by regulating interest rate and controlling inflation. What is the repo rate? Reserve Bank of India lends money to commercial bank at repo rate. RBI to maintain liquidity in case of shortage of funds and due to some statutory measures, it is one of the main tools of RBI to keep inflation under control. In last many years, we can see the repo rate. In this, many times government don't change any in the repo rate. It is the stability of 6.5% in. How does repo rate work? When you borrow money from the bank, the transaction attracts interest on the principal amount. This is referred to as the cost of credit. Similarly, bank also borrow money from RBI during a cash crunch on which they are required to pay interest to the central government. This interest rate is called the repo rate. Technically, repo stands for repurchasing options on repurchase agreement. It is an agreement in which banks provide eligible securities such as treasury bills to the RBI. How does repo rate affect home loan? Buyers who take out a house loan tied to repo rates or those who move from their existing home loans to it need to understand certain details about these loans. Transmission are faster. Any adjustment to be to be repo rate will likely be reflected in your EMI outlay considerable more quickly. This also implies that your house loan EMI would rise if the banking authority modifies its benchmark lending rate. Additionally, bank will finally decide how much extra interest they will add to the repo rate on mortgage. How does repo rate affect fixed deposit? For investor looking for fixed deposits with low risk and competitive rates, the repo rates increase may be highly beneficial. FDs are expected to appreciate in value as investments. Bank lending and depositing rates will be impacted by change to the RBI's policy repo rate. The decisions on the actual rate adjustments would be made by the various bank and NBFC. How does repo rate affect the stock market? Interest rate and the stock market are inversely related. Every time the central bank raises the repo rate, the stock markets are immediately affected. This means the increase in the repo rate causes businesses to reduce their expenditure on expansion, which slow down growth, has an impact on profits and future cash flows, and causes stock price to drop. RBI MPC Monetary Policy Committee meeting October 2024. Key highlights and outcomes. Following are the highlights of the bi-monthly monetary policy announced by the Reserve Bank of India on Wednesday. Benchmark short-term lending rate repo kept unchanged at 6.5%. It means there is no change in recent policy in repo rate. In expected GDP growth rate projection for financial year 2025 retained at 7.2%. In the last year it was the 7%. So now is the 2025 the rate is increased 0.25%. Inflation projection for financial year 2. Inflation projection for financial year 2025 retained as 4.5%. And another change is the UPI light wallet limit increased to rupees 5,000 and per transaction limited hiked to rupees 1,000. UPI tax payment limits. The UPI tax payment limit is increased from rupees 1 lakh to rupees 5 lakh per transaction. These are the some highlight for the recent monetary policy in October 2024. Thank you for watching this video.